Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok Ads Manager, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Navigate to the TikTok Ads Manager website. In the top right corner, find the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email address associated with your TikTok Ads account. Next, enter your password. If you have reset your password, use the new one instead. Once both fields are filled out, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Ads Manager dashboard. In case you encounter an issue logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset. After resetting, return to the login page to enter your new password. Upon successful login, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Ads Manager interface. Explore the various tools available for managing your TikTok ads campaigns. Start by checking your account overview for any notifications. Now you are ready to create and manage your ad campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.